Hey sweet friends, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we will make one of the easiest breakfast recipes for a busy morning. It will only take 5 minutes to prepare and maybe 2 minutes to eat. So don't skip your breakfast. Take 2 slices of bread, the first and the last one, because they are fat. Break an egg, add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and mix well. Melt some butter in a pan and fry the egg. Fold it carefully. Keep the egg aside and cook the bread for a minute. Now flip and add some cheese. Put the egg on one bread, add some onion, tomato sauce, put another bread on top, and enjoy. What's your favorite breakfast for a busy morning? Share with us in the comments below. Subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.